Welcome back, aspirants. Every minute counts in a competitive exam. Let's not waste a single second. Are you ready? Question number one starts now. The Madhya Pradesh government has officially designated the year 2026 to focus on which specific sector? Option A, Year of Digital Literacy. Option B, Year of Agriculture. Option C, Year of Tribal Heritage. Option D, Year of Renewable Energy. Read the option very carefully. Now, the correct option is absolutely B. The Madhya Pradesh government has officially declared the year 2026 as the year of agriculture to implement dedicated policy frameworks, increase budgetary support, and enhance infrastructural development across the state's vital primary sector. Done. Moving on to question number 2. What is the theme of Madhya Pradesh Year of Agriculture 2026? Option A, Green MP, Clean MP. Option B, Prosperous Farmers, Prosperous State. Option C, Digital Farming Mission. Option D, Smart Agriculture. Read the options very attentively. Now, certainly the correct option is B. The official theme for the year of agriculture 2026 is Samriddh Kisan, Samriddh Rajya. Prosperous farmers, prosperous state. Why? To emphasize that economic well-being of the state depends heavily on agricultural prosperity. Understood? Let's discuss question number 3. The cleanest city in India, Indore, came into national focus in January 2026 due to which incident? Option A, hosting the national games. Option B, launching of India's first hydrogen train. Option C, contaminated drinking water incident. Option D, declaration of a new smart city. Two of the options are completely irrelevant. You can definitely eliminate those two options. Now, the correct option is C. In January 2026, Indore faced national scrutiny and investigative focus due to a widespread contaminated drinking water incident affecting multiple residential wards. Understood? Question number 4 is the contaminated drinking water incident that came into national focus in January 2026 was investigated by which commission? Option A, National Human Rights Commission. Option B, National Green Tribunal. Option C, Central Pollution Control Board. Option D, National Disaster Management Authority. Go through each option very carefully. Now, the correct option is absolutely A. The National Human Rights Commission took suo motu cognizance and investigated the contaminated drinking water incident in Indore, citing critical violation of the basic human right to get clean and safe public drinking water. Clear? Now let's see what we have in question number 5. Which city of Madhya Pradesh was selected under the Safe Cities project? Option A, Ujjain. Option B, Satna. Option C, Riva. Option D, Thar. Read the option very carefully because every option leads towards the Safe Cities project. Now, the correct option is surely D. Dhar was selected under the Safe Cities project in Madhya Pradesh, which aimed at enhancing public security, developing women-friendly urban spaces, and integrating advanced surveillance systems. Clear? Now, without delay, move on to question number 6. The PM Shri Paratan Air Service mainly improves connectivity between option A, metro cities, option B, tourist destination, option C, border districts, option D, industrial corridors. Read the question again and choose the option very wisely. Undoubtedly, the correct option is B. The PM Shri Pariyatan Air Service was launched to improve air connectivity specifically between major tourist destinations, making religious and cultural heritage spots more accessible to national and international travelers. Done. Coming to question number 7. The prominent national self-reliance in Pulses mission was officially launched in early 2026 from which specific location in Madhya Pradesh? Option A Amlaha Sihor, option B Piparia Hoshangabad, option C Jaora Ratlam, option D Dabra Gwalior. Examine the option very carefully because each option consists a district and its small places which is recognized. Now, the correct option is A. The prominent national self-reliance in Pulses mission was officially launched in early 2026 from Avnaha in Shihor district of Madhya Pradesh. Why? Because which is a major hub for pulse research and cultivation. Clear? I want you to think carefully about this question. The Nuhleshwar festival, which was in the news in February 2026, is an annual cultural celebration held in which region of Madhya Pradesh? Option A Baghelkhand Rewa, option B Damoh Bundelkhand, option C Malwa Ujjain, option D Nimar Khandwa. Choose the option very wisely because every option is closest to the question. Now, the correct option is B. Bundelkhand, Damoh district. The Nuhleshwar festival is an annual cultural and religious celebration which held in Damoh district, which actually showcase the regional folk tradition and classical arts. All right. Next question is the first ever National Divyangjan Cricket Sports Festival 2026 was inaugurated in which city of Madhya Pradesh? Option A Indore, option B Jabalpur, option C Bhopal, option D Gwalior. Pause the video right here and read the option very thoughtfully. Drop your answer in the comments. Now, the correct option is absolutely C, the capital of Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. The first historic National Divyangjan Cricket Sports Festival 2026 was inaugurated in Bhopal. Why? To provide an institutional platform to promote sportsmanship. Understood? This question has a high chance of being asked in the exam. Dr. Narayan Vyas, who was awarded the Padam Shri in 2026, is prominently recognized for his extensive archaeological documentation and conservation work at which of the following UNESCO World Heritage Site? Option A Ajanta Caves, option B Bhimbetka Rock Shelters, option C Sun Temple Konark, option D Group of Monuments at Hampi. Pause, think carefully and comment your answer. The correct option is B. Bhimbetka Rock Shelter. Clear? Now comment Bhimbetka Rock Shelters are located in which district of Madhya Pradesh? Understood? Thank you so much for learning with us. Share your score in the comments, and if you found this session helpful, subscribe for more MPGK and current affairs. We will meet again in the upcoming current affairs part 2. Until then, keep your preparation going on by attempting daily quiz challenge in our short section. You can also explore our videos on MPGK, Indian polity, Indian economy, and geography as well. Remember, every question you solve brings you one step closer to your goal. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.